My name is Jason Mount, and I'm going to share the database and API. This is through MongoDB. So I use MongoDB to store the data, information, send it back to the server using the MongoDB drivers and back to the React app. Essentially, what data is persisted in the database as an ID number, unique ID number, the name of the client, the email, password, and balance. And this is all under the object users. I use the data abstraction layer to define the operations to be performed by the server using the API endpoints, which makes this a RESTful API. Some of the functions that we're able to do in this app: you can create a new account, you can find information based on the email, you can find one user or all users, you can update user information. That's mostly used through the login function. And then also I have one file that I'm not using. I've commented out, but I can grab all the data and display it as well. It's a RESTful API. As you can see, it has the endpoints for, these are GET requests. For example, create a new account, or to find one in particular. We'll use that to gather the data for login, balance, those types of things. And even update them. The documentation, essentially, we're using this Mongo URI, which is the actual URL that's stored in the .env file. And it's able to, that way, to access the collection through the API. And then send the correct function to the database to relay to the representative data. And it's simple. I would like to add a few more of the CRUD operations into the server, but for right now, it does everything that it's supposed to do: grab the information, persist it in the local storage, send updates back to the Mongo Atlas DB in the cloud, so that every time the user starts a new session, everything is up to date. And that's pretty much how the backend works.